I'll put my bike out here for the moment because I need a bit of space in the garage to unbox this new bit of equipment for the workshop. So I've made a space for it over there, and I still need to clear out all that rubbish over there, get rid of it. I think I'll put this, once I've unboxed it and assembled it, where that rubbish is, and chuck that rubbish in the back of the car so I can dump it. This will, yeah, it seems to be like a reasonably good space to put my new bit of equipment. So let's unbox it and see what old biker's got himself this week. I'm not actually sure when this video cut off or whether I actually pressed record, but that's the the new toy I've got in the garage at the moment. I can do some work using that. I just need to adjust the feet so it's not as wobbly and it doesn't feel wobbly. And there you go, 20-ton hydraulic press that we're going to have a play about with in the future videos.